Let's multiply by 7. 7 multiplied by 1 is 7. 7 multiplied by 2 is 14. 7 multiplied by 3 is 21. 7 multiplied by 4 is 28. Let's multiply by 7. 7 multiplied by 5 is 35. 7 multiplied by 6 is 42. 7 multiplied by 7 is 49. 7 multiplied by 8 is 56. Let's multiply by 7. 7 multiplied by 9 is 63. 7 multiplied by 10 is 70. 7